The missing Sabungeros, or cockfight watchers, who disappeared 4 years ago, are already dead. One of the accused in the kidnapping case told the loved ones of some of the victims. The accused has come forward to testify on all that he knows about what happened to the missing victims. Mga nanay, kamag-anak, handa po ako na makipagtulungan sa inyo para makamit ang hustisya, alias Totoy told some of the missing Sabungeros families. Mothers, loved ones of the victims, I'm ready to help you get justice. Asked if the missing Sabungeros were still alive, the accused said, wala po ako masagot dyan. Ang akin lang maibigay ko lang ang hustisya ng inyong pamilya. Pero kung ako ang tatanungin, mukhang malabo na buhay pa sila, Totoy said. I cannot answer that. I can only help your families get justice. But if you ask me, it seems unlikely that they are still alive. Pero alam niyo po kung saan sila dinala? Kahit mga buto lang? Asked Carmen Malaca, mother of one of the missing Sabungeros. But do you know where they were brought? Even if just their bones? Sa ngayon, hindi na natin makikita ang buto pero alam ko kung sino ang nasa likod nito, Totoy said. Right now, we can no longer find their bones, but I know who's behind this. After Totoy's response, Malaca bawled while family members of the other missing Sabungeros were in tears. Due to the recent revelation, the families of the missing Sabungero regained hope that the case would finally be clarified. Totoy narrated some events surrounding the missing Sabungeros. Paano mabubuhay yan Nakabaon na yan doon sa Taal Lake. Lahat yan. Kung huhukayin yon mga buto-buto, paano natin makilala ang mga yon? Di lang missing Sabungero ang mga yon. May iba pang tinatapon doon, pati drug lord, Totoy said. He added that the missing Sabungeros were killed softly with a tie wire used to strangle them. Those who were caught cheating in the cockpit were rounded up and turned over to another group, which Totoy, for now, refused to identify. He narrated that the missing Sabungeros were tied with plastic and carried to a van. Totoy said there were almost 100 cockfight workers killed, not just the 34 Sabungeros. Nagtaka ako bakit ang bilis. Halimbawa, 8. Ang bilis. Sabi ko, baka naman pinakawalan niyo yan, yari tayo kay boss. Sabi ko sa kanila, hindi may video kami. Sinindan ako ng video. Doon nakita kung paano, Totoy said. I was wondering why they kill so fast. I thought they were released, but they showed me a video of how they killed them. These were among the details included in my affidavit that would be submitted to authorities. I will also reveal the mastermind. Titingnan ko lang kung ang kanyang sinasabi at yung sinasabi ng ibang testigo ay kapareho sa mga nakarating sa ating tanggapan. Sabi naman ni Secretary Remula. The Philippine National Police PNP said Totoy's actions are a welcome development. The PNP and National Bureau of Investigation NBI also expressed willingness to help ensure his safety. Maganda yan at sige pakinggan natin siya. I assure him na bibigyan namin siya ng proteksyon akong bahala sa kanya. Huwag siyang matakot. Maganda yan. Welcome yan, NBI Director Jaime Santiago said.